Where's my DC flight protection? Yeah, I don't think it works. Oh god. Okay, so you're flying and then you get disconnected and then you are okay, you log back in. Oh god. So if this happens, do you actually, you're level 51. There's no way you just fall to your death, right? Like Blizzard, 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 please don't let this happen. Do we have any type of... Oh god. Lip? Okay, we're logging into game server. Let's fast forward a sec. Might take a sec. Okay, now he's logging in. Okay. No. No. I mean, we already know what happens, right? He's gonna fall, but like, I need to see it. I need... Oh my gosh. Okay. We're waiting. We're waiting. Damn it, Blizzard. Yo, chat, let me ask you a quick question. If you were level 51 on Hardcore World of Warcraft, and you disconnect and fall to your death off of a flight path, what would you do? Never play again. Quit, quit, quit. Yo, C-Danks in the chat, you guys said, go again! Blizzard, like we need to fix this issue. So Blizzard, it had an interview, I don't think it was with me, I think it was might have been with another member of the community, but they said that if you do fall to your death, there should be a parachute catching you if you log in off the flight path. It's not working. The feature isn't working. So it should be revisited. My solution to this was anytime you're on a flight path, whether or not you get a disconnect, you get a parachute on. The parachute slow fall buff. Every time you land, that parachute buff would be removed. So when you're midair, it's already on. The slow fall buff is already on you. So if you disconnect, you already have the parachute buff. And if you fall, then it'll save you. That's my solution. That's what I think might be a good idea. You know what I'm saying? For the time being, carrying a lip, limited invulnerability potion. So if you do log in, you can just press that, immune to physical damage, you would immune the fall. It's probably your best bet. But yeah, man, I'm sorry to dishonor, man. Quotas, I'm sorry, man.